I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you ever need to lock your card quickly, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the PNC mobile app. Launch the PNC mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services option in the menu. This is where you can manage your card settings. Step 3. Select your card. Find the card you want to lock from your list of accounts. Tap on it to view more options related to that specific card. Step 4. Lock your card. Look for the Lock Card feature and tap on it. This will immediately disable your card for any transactions. Step 5. Confirm lock. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. If you accidentally lock your card, you can easily unlock it using the same steps. Just remember to check the confirmation message to ensure it worked. I hope this helps you manage your card effectively.